Hello guys, today I'm going to be telling you about one of my elite best people in my group so far, which is basically a group of 3 or 2 maybe. So basically, so far, because I'm looking for the best, and like I want this group to be like super cool. So basically, I included this guy named, this really cool kid around my age, Isaiah. He's really good. Um, so far he can do a round off tuck, 360 front, but I'm not gonna explain like everything he can do because you guys can go check out his channel, which is Isaiah Trickster, capital I in Isaiah, capital T in Trickster. So far he has like 3 videos, which is like mini bites, a little teaser. We're working on a sampler, something cool or whatever. But I'll leave his channel in the link in the description, you guys, to check him out. He's a really cool kid. So check out his videos, like and subscribe, and if you guys show some support, we can keep videos coming. So hey, why not? Why not give him a try? So that's all I have to say today. That's a little sneak peek of the whole group, but I got more people joining and more people trying out. So I'm gonna tell you guys how that works out probably later in the video. It should be a video coming out either Friday or Saturday, and I missed out. I recorded 4th of July footage, but I never got the chance to upload it. But I guess I'll probably try to upload that probably sometime Sunday. If not, then I guess there's no 4th of July video, which is kind of late because, been past the 4th of July. But, yeah, guys, well, that's all I have to say today for this video. So, like and subscribe and share, and peace out.